example, you need to find the domain of this radical function. So with radicals, what you don't want to have inside of a radical is a negative number, because then it turns to an imaginary. So we're going to take the inside of the radical, and we're going to set it to greater than or equal to 0, because below 0 are negatives. So greater than or equal to 0. So we're trying to find the value of x that will turn the inside of the radical to a negative number. So now we're simply going to solve for x. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And then I'm going to divide by -5. Now, with inequalities, whenever you divide by a negative number, the sign must flip. Therefore, our sign is this way, so it's going to flip that way. And 5 divided by -5 is positive, it's -1. So this is my answer. This is the value of x, okay? That will turn the inside to 0. Now I need my answer in interval notation, okay? So if you think about the number line, this is -1 right here. This is negative infinity. This is positive infinity. At -1, I have a closed dot. And then I read x is less than or equal to -1. So all numbers smaller than x going this way. Okay. So to write my interval notation, I read from left to right. So if this arrow is going all the way to the negative infinity. So that's the first thing I'm going to see from the left to the right. So negative infinity all the way to -1. At -1, I'm going to have a bracket because it's a closed dot. Infinity always gets a parentheses. And this is your answer in interval notation. Ooh, sorry. Notation, okay? This means this is the set of the solution set for this, okay?